Have you ever wondered how to start your seeds indoors? Delving into the world of indoor seed starting offers an early start to your growing season, access to a broader variety of plants, and even helps save money. Well, you're in luck because today we're going to guide you through the process of indoor seed starting. To get started, you'll need a few supplies. First, select your preferred seeds. Then, gather containers. Plastic trays or pots work well. You'll also need a seed starting mix, a gentle water source, and a light source for warmth. Once you've gathered your materials, you're ready to begin the seeding process. Now, let's dive into the process of seed starting indoors. The first step is to fill your containers with a quality seed starting mix. This mix is lighter and finer than regular potting soil, allowing your seeds to sprout with ease. Next, you'll need to plant your seeds. Be sure to follow the instructions on your seed packet for the correct depth. As a general rule of thumb, seeds should be planted about 3 times as deep as their width. Once your seeds are nestled in their soil beds, it's time for watering. Water gently to avoid disturbing the seeds, ensuring the soil is damp but not waterlogged. Now, on to lighting. Seeds need plenty of light to grow, so place your containers in a sunny spot or under a grow light. Lastly, keep an eye on your seedlings' progress. Monitor their growth and ensure they're getting the right balance of light and water. By following these steps, you'll have healthy, sprouting seeds in no time. See, starting seeds indoors isn't as daunting as it seems. It's a rewarding process that allows you to grow a wider variety of plants, all in the comfort of your home. Remember, avoid overwatering and ensure ample light for your seeds to sprout. Get your hands in the soil, nurture those tiny seeds, and watch them grow into vibrant plants. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!